What is going on, guys? Today, I'm going to buy another project. Yeah, but before anybody says anything, this project that I'm going to go and buy is super rare. It's a super rare find, people, and I'm excited to bring you along on this journey. Yet, this does not mean we're not going to build the C20. We still are gonna. Project Chuck is still in full effect, people. So don't you worry your little heads about that. That's happening. This is a super rare find that I could not pass it up. I'm not gonna go into details. Just know that this project that I'm gonna go look at and purchase today is something that's a 1 in a million. And it holds something close to me, dear to my heart, and has a sentimental value to me. And I can't believe I found it. So, you guys stay tuned. We'll see what it is. I wouldn't lie, this is my old truck. You wanna know how I can prove it? Boom, they still have the original dash pad that my mom bought me for my 17th birthday. Now, I kept this truck in tip-top shape. It has been abused, to say the least. You're not gonna believe this. It has my original fuzz buster from when I was a kid. Oh my God, this truck is like virtually the same way, just worn out and dirty as hell and smells like cigarettes now. Exactly how I left it. I sold the truck with 123,000 miles. It has 178,000 now. Nuts. Absolutely nuts. Even has the original floor mats that I sold the truck with. I let the truck go with. Bought all this stuff from Huber Chevrolet that I worked at the time when I had this truck. Original sticker still on it. Even my Calvin sticker still on here. She's in rough shape, guys. Don't get me wrong. She is in horrible shape. But I bought the truck for $650. Originally, I bought that truck for $13,000 21 years ago. So, I don't know. Would you call that upside down or what? Because I'll have to wait until I get off my phone to give you guys the full story on this. But needless to say, I paid $650 for the truck. She's in pretty rough shape. We're gonna get her back to running normal condition, and we'll go from there. But the coolest thing, the blast from the past, is that truck has every single thing I did to it. It has the original stereo that I put in there, the amplifier, the bass box, the 6 or 10 disc CD changer in the console. Has the wood center top thing with the lights. It has my original fuzz buster from when I was a kid. Oh man, back in the day when they used to run radar and stuff. It's still in there, people, and I am just absolutely floored at the fact that it's still there. My stickers are still on the car. Everything is still on the truck. How does something go that far, that long, and have all that stuff on it? I mean, it's aged. it looks like crap, it'll be coming off. But man, you think if once you bought someone's car, you do your own stuff to it, you rip your own stuff out, that stuff would wear out. Do you peel stickers off? Who knows, man? That's nuts.